I think sport touches so many different people in so many different ways. I really like to say that people will say the universal language is love, but I don't think so. I think the universal language is sport.
All of the teachers and professors go out of their way to help us, so that's the really cool part about the sports program is not only are we, learning through the classes, but they help us to get hands-on work, working with packages, reports, and anchoring.
I teach what's called sports media literacy. It's a look at the world of sports and media and how they intersect with one another. I teach a sportscasting class, and there we learn all kinds of things about being on camera, writing scripts. I teach a sports media laboratory class, which is a 400 level class that's more project-based, and then I also teach the sports and social media class that happens in the summer.
What's awesome about it is that you're able to get on-camera and journalism experience as well as production experiences. The students are the people that run the program behind the scenes as well.
We're blessed with a lot of really strong student organizations for media. IUS-TV, which is our student television station.
When I first saw the television studio here, I drooled because all of the television studios I worked in were not that nice. And so it's phenomenal. You have the up-to-date technology, the latest technology, all sorts of opportunities to get in and work with it.
We also have Big Ten Student U, which allows students to get paid for broadcasting or producing IU athletics events. We do about 120 events a year through that.
I'm involved with IUS TV, but I'm also involved with the Big Ten Student U program. For that, I'm a sideline reporter for women's soccer, but I'm also now hosting a show for Big Ten Student U basketball.
WIUX, which is our student radio station, the IDS, which is our student newspaper. All of those are independent entities that allow students to learn how to cover events, how to broadcast events, how to write about events.
Indiana easily has the most hands-on experience available. I've gotten to cover the Indiana Bowl game recently. I've talked to Olympians like Lily King for the swim team. I've talked to guys on the wrestling team for really nice, intimate interviews.
And then we've got opportunities elsewhere across campus. We have internships with the Cuban Center using a lot of advanced sports media technologies. This is a program where if you come in and you really want to work and you want to take on opportunity and get experience, you're going to have a lot of that available to you.
If they can think of it, we can probably make it happen here, which I think makes us so unique.
We'll try to hook up high school students who want to learn about sports media with our freshmen and sophomores because they've already had a chance to do a few things. We connect our freshmen and sophomores with our upperclassmen so that they can learn even more. We connect our juniors and seniors with our alums, and it creates this wonderful chain of relationships that occurs within the IU media program.
IU offers so many opportunities for women to excel in sports. I know that sometimes there's a stereotype around that, but that stereotype has really diminished at IU for me. We have so many men that are helping me out, not only professors, but also the other students. It's kind of more of a community, and we all help each other out.
When you see them out in the real world, pursuing their passion and loving what they're doing, that's so exciting.
I mean, there's just these opportunities you're not going to get anywhere else.